Are there any notable waterfalls in Glacier National Park? If you are planning a Glacier National Park road trip and wondering about the waterfalls, you are in for a treat. This park is home to some stunning waterfalls that are perfect for family travel destinations. Families can enjoy a mix of easy hikes and breathtaking views suitable for all ages. One of the most remarkable waterfalls is Virginia Falls. This waterfall is a highlight of the park and is part of a popular hike that also includes St. Mary Falls. The hike to Virginia Falls is about 3.2 miles round trip with little elevation gain, making it accessible for families. Many visitors find Virginia Falls more impressive than St. Mary Falls, providing a rewarding experience for a relatively easy hike. Speaking of St. Mary Falls, it is one of the park's iconic waterfalls. The trail to St. Mary Falls is about 1.7 miles round trip and is mostly flat. The waterfall plunges 35 feet into bright teal water. There is a bridge in front of the falls, offering great views and a chance to feel the mist, which can be exciting for kids. Another great option is Bering Falls. This waterfall is a shorter and easy hike of 1.3 miles near East Glacier. Bering Falls drops about 25 feet over a rock ledge into St. Mary Lake. It is part of the same trail system that connects to St. Mary and Virginia Falls, so families can plan a longer outing to see multiple waterfalls in one trip. If you are looking for something taller, Birdwoman Falls is one of the tallest waterfalls in the park, measuring 560 feet. While it is not accessible by hiking trails, it can be viewed from several scenic overlooks along the Going to the Sun Road. This makes it easy for families to enjoy the view without a strenuous hike. For those in the Many Glacier area, Apicoonie Falls is a two-tiered waterfall reachable via a 1.8-mile hike. It is popular for photography and offers beautiful mountain views, suitable for families comfortable with a moderate walk. Lastly, Avalanche Lake Falls is another family-friendly hike. This trail is about 5.9 miles round trip through shaded forest, leading to a waterfall that is a rewarding destination for those looking to spend more time exploring. For families planning a trip, many of these waterfalls are connected by trails that allow for flexible hiking distances and difficulty levels. Parking availability varies, with some trailheads like Sun Point offering larger lots, which is helpful when traveling with children. The waterfalls provide excellent opportunities for nature appreciation, photography, and gentle outdoor exercise suitable for all family members. Overall, Glacier National Park offers a variety of waterfalls that can fit different family trip plans, from short walks to longer hikes, with stunning natural scenery that makes for memorable experiences.